Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about the Lysol Pro Kitchen Spray Cleaner and Degreaser. This powerful antibacterial cleaning spray is perfect for tackling tough kitchen messes, cutting through baked-on grease and grime, to leave your kitchen sparkling clean with a fresh citrus scent. But that's not all. This amazing cleaner is also proven to eliminate 99.9% of kitchen viruses and bacteria, including Salmonella and E. coli. So you can rest assured that your kitchen surfaces and appliances are not just clean, but also germ-free. And the best part? There's no harsh chemical residue, making it safe to use on a variety of surfaces including countertops, tables, oven exteriors, high chairs, and kitchen appliances. Plus, it's super easy to use. Just spray, wipe, and reveal a fresh-smelling, disinfected kitchen. So if you want to keep your kitchen clean, sanitized, and smelling great, be sure to check out the Lysol Pro Kitchen Spray Cleaner and Degreaser. You can find the link to purchase this amazing product in the description box below. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.